Have you ever bought a non-stick frying pan that worked perfectly for a few weeks, only to start sticking, scratching, or heating unevenly? If you're looking for a healthier non-stick pan that cooks evenly and cleans up without a fight, today's review might help you avoid another disappointing purchase. The Redchef Ceramic Nonstick Egg Pan is designed for anyone who cooks everyday meals, from busy professionals and students to families who want a reliable skillet for eggs, pancakes, vegetables, and quick dinners. With its ceramic non-stick coating, oven-safe design, and compatibility with virtually every cooktop, it promises convenience without relying on traditional non-stick chemicals. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is its attractive design. The blue exterior gives it a modern look that stands out from the usual black cookware, while the ceramic cooking surface looks clean and premium. Despite being lightweight, the pan feels solid in your hand thanks to its forged aluminum construction. The stainless steel handle also deserves credit. It feels sturdy, remains comfortable to hold during normal stovetop cooking, and the double-riveted design adds confidence when lifting or transferring the pan. One of the biggest advantages of this pan is its ceramic non-stick coating. Instead of depending on large amounts of oil or butter, foods like eggs, pancakes, and vegetables release surprisingly easily when the pan is properly preheated. That not only makes cooking more enjoyable, but can also support healthier meal preparation by reducing the amount of added fat you need. The ceramic surface also gives many buyers extra peace of mind since it's free from PTFE, PFAS, and PFOA. Performance is where the Redchef pan really begins to shine. The forged aluminum body distributes heat evenly across the cooking surface, helping eliminate the hot spots that often cause uneven browning. Whether you're frying eggs for breakfast, cooking an omelet, sautéing vegetables, or searing a grilled cheese sandwich, the pan heats quickly and maintains consistent cooking temperatures. It also performs quietly without the popping and warping noises sometimes found in thinner budget cookware. Another feature that adds flexibility is its compatibility with multiple cooktops. Whether your kitchen uses induction, gas, electric, or ceramic stovetops, this skillet is ready to go. Even better, it's oven-safe, allowing you to finish dishes under the broiler or transfer recipes directly from the stovetop into the oven. That kind of versatility is usually reserved for more expensive cookware, making it a welcome addition at this price point. Cleaning is refreshingly simple. In many cases, a soft sponge and warm water are all that's needed to remove food residue. The pan is dishwasher safe for extra convenience, although hand washing is still the better option if you want to preserve the ceramic coating for as long as possible. Treating the coating gently can significantly extend its non-stick performance over time. Of course, no ceramic pan is completely maintenance-free. Like most ceramic cookware, using metal utensils or cooking on excessively high heat can shorten the lifespan of a non-stick surface. It's also worth remembering that ceramic coatings naturally wear over time, so proper care is essential if you want years of reliable performance. While it's ideal for everyday cooking, it's not intended to replace heavy cast iron for extremely high heat searing. Compared to many ceramic frying pans in the same price range, the Redchef offers an impressive combination of healthy materials, even heating, induction compatibility, and oven-safe performance. Some competing pans sacrifice durability or heat distribution to lower costs, while others charge significantly more for similar features. Redchef manages to deliver a premium cooking experience without pushing into premium cookware pricing. Overall, the Redchef Ceramic Nonstick Egg Pan is an excellent choice for home cooks looking for healthier nonstick cookware that's easy to use and even easier to clean. It's especially well suited for breakfast lovers, small families, and anyone who cooks quick, everyday meals. If you take good care of the ceramic surface, this pan offers excellent value and dependable performance for daily cooking. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest kitchen product reviews every week. And if you're ready to upgrade your cookware with a healthier non-stick option, check out the link in the description before today's deal ends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.